Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, January 5th, 2008 am. You do not want to converse anymore or to express your feelings in any way. If I refer to you too often, you feel embarrassed. Do not mind what those who read these messages may think. They are not compelled at all to do so. If you dwell on human reactions, you cannot do anything. Are you not surrendered? Therefore, be really surrendered. My autobiography, published after I had left the earth, gave rise to many criticisms. I was never understood, but that does not matter. Some of our candidates have appreciated it. They did not doubt that the greatest beings were visiting me, guiding me, and giving me instructions concerning the mission and myself. No matter what one may say or write, we cannot have unanimous support. That is the way it goes. It is sadly human. What matters is to touch some hearts and to convince them by giving them a food suited to their broad-mindedness. We cannot reveal great truths on religions, for example, without shocking. The majority of men have their own reference points. They don't want to be shaken up. They are like children fed with nice legends which fully satisfy them. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. The medium says, "Your criticisms are justified, Babuji. Why should I bother about the incomprehension of others? Only you matter to me. Forgive my stupid reactions and please use me as you please, as a conduit of the texts you may wish to give to conclude this last series. Only your will must prevail, and you must be able to express yourself without taking account of my reservations. Why do you mind human conventions? Have you not gone beyond all that? You must conform to them, but in your heart another code of conduct exists. It is only that one which you must worry about, since it connects you with us. You see how important it is to reach this state. You should do your level best in all conscience and let people talk. You should connect with the inner master in any embarrassing situations. In silence and meditation, you will be inspired as to how to face up to the problems arising in your life. Nothing is simple, never. The truth has multiple facets. By advancing in wisdom, you will be able to better decipher what must guide your steps. We bless you all, dear children. Babuji.